Hello everyone here. Today I'm going to show you how to create an animation flow in After Effects. In this tutorial I used Stardust plugin. It's very simple, it's very easy, and let's go. Okay, now go to create a new composition, make it Full HD, then press OK. Go to Layer, New, Solid, and name it Stardust, then press OK. Go to Effects and Presets and Stardust, and here we go. Yes. Okay, go to emitter type, change point to grade, and speed 0. Yes. Then go to size X and Y, and Full HD 1920 and Y 1080. Yes, like this. Then go to grade properties and grade X, make it 50, and C, make it 1. Yes, okay, that's all in the wizard. Go to particle and particle life, make it 7, and particle properties. Okay, particle properties, and go to size and make it 1. Okay, now choose your color, random from gradient, and I will choose, go to presets, and okay, for now I will choose this color. Okay, just for now. Okay, now what else? Okay, go to opacity and 90, and opacity random 80, also size random, make it 60. Yes, like it's perfect. Okay, yeah. Now create a replica like this. Okay, go to replica type, change offset to flow. Okay, then go to replicates and 300, density, make it 400. Okay, yes. Origin to vertical position. Okay, like this. Yes, perfect. Yes, yes. Okay, now go to step and 70. Okay, scale maybe 100 and half, and leaves make it 1. Okay, yes, and wait. Yes, like this. Okay. Now choose transform. Okay, and go to transform. Go to scale Z and 0.4 or maybe 0.5. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, now layer new camera and press OK. Okay, now go to replica and density, make it 50 because we want to control the camera. Okay, and this shape is very, very, very slowly. Okay, okay. Now go to camera and check your track. Okay, okay. I will make it like this. Maybe, yeah, yes. I'll choose this and I will rotate it like this. Yes. Now go to replica and okay, make it 400. Yeah, fine. Yes, perfect. Okay, I will take this color. Okay, no, I think the black and white will be better. Yes, black and white, like this. Okay, now we want to animate this shape. Okay, uh, let's see what's we choose here. Okay, yeah, animate properties. Okay, and go to replicates, overlay, and make it like this. And now, yeah, this is our animation. Yes, it's very slow. Yes. Again, go to density and 50 to see what's going on here. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I think it's better. Okay, now go to layer, new adjustment layer. Okay, and go to effects and stylize and glow. Okay, maybe color curves first. Yes, yeah, yes. Then go to alpha and sorry, alpha, yes, and make it like this. Yeah. Then go to effect, stylize and glow. Okay, and Control D to copy. Yes. Okay, this is my video. If you like it, don't forget like, share and subscribe, and see you next tutorial, and goodbye.